Alright, to make a tiny little arm, I'm going to do a 4 triple crochet pop stitch. So I yarned over twice. I'm going to insert it right there and pull through 2 loops, pull through another 2 loops, and then pull through those final 2 loops. So that's just a normal triple crochet. I'm going to do another one in the same stitch. So this will be triple crochet number 2, and I'm making 4 in total, like I said. So in the same stitch, this is my 3rd triple crochet right here. Oops, messed up right there, so I'm going to insert back and then pull it through, and then last triple crochet right here in the same stitch. Pull through the 2, and then pull through the last 2. Now I'm going to take my hook out, pull that loop out, and count back to that first triple crochet, and I'll insert my hook in it. Then I'll take the loop and I'll put it onto my hook like that, and then I'm going to pull it through that first triple crochet, and then I'm going to chain 1 to secure it in place. Now I'm going to go into the next stitch and just do a regular single crochet, and that really will make that pop stitch pop out.